Hi, I am Parul and you're watching a video by Tutors.com. In this video, we'll be learning about parallel lines and transversal, in which we'll cover corresponding angles axiom, relationship between alternate interior angles, and relationship between angles formed on same side of transversal. So before we proceed with corresponding angles axiom, let's try this warm-up question here. You can pause this video and try this question. So in this question, from this adjoining figure, we have to name the following. So first of all, it begins with pair of parallel lines. So as we can see that this line and this line are the parallel lines, so we name it as L and M. T is our transversal line, so we can name it as T. Interior angles. So angle 3, 4, 5 and 6, these all are interior angles. They lie inside the parallel lines. That's angle 5 there. Then it's asking for exterior angles, the angles which lie outside the two parallel lines. So that's angle 1, angle 2, angle 7 and angle 8. Pairs of corresponding angles. So angle 1, angle 5, angle 2, angle 6, angle 3, angle 7 and angle 4, angle 8. These are the pairs of corresponding angles. The next question is for pairs of alternate interior angles. So it means that the angles should be interior and alternate. So that means angle 3 and angle 6, and next is angle 4 and 5. Then we have pairs of alternate exterior angles. So that's angle 1 and angle 8, angle 2 and angle 7. Now pairs of interior angles on same side of transversal. So that's angle 3 and angle 5. They are on left side of transversal, and angle 4 and angle 6, they are on the right side of transversal. So if all your answers are correct and match to these answers, pat your back. Well done. Now let's proceed with corresponding angles axiom. So first of all, what is an axiom? Axiom is a statement which is self-evidently true. We need not prove it. So what it states is that if a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of corresponding angles is equal. So if we have two parallel lines and a transversal crossing it, then the corresponding angles that are formed will always be equal. No doubt with it. Now what does converse of corresponding angles axiom state? It states that if a transversal is crossing two lines and the corresponding angles that are formed are equal, then the given two lines have to be parallel. That's what converse of corresponding angles axiom states. Now let's proceed with alternate interior angles axiom. So it states that if there are two parallel lines and a transversal is crossing it, then the pair of alternate interior angles have to be equal. And the converse is always true, that if a transversal is crossing two lines and the alternate interior angles are equal, then the two lines are parallel. Now let's see what is interior angle on same side of transversal axiom saying. It states that if a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of interior angles on the same side of transversal is supplementary. That means the angles on the same side of transversal, that to interior to the parallel lines, add up to 180 degrees. That's what supplementary means. And same is true for the converse, that if a transversal intersects two lines such that the pair of interior angles on same side of transversal are adding up to 180 degrees, then the given two lines are parallel. Now let's see what is lines parallel to same line. It says that if there are three lines such that L is parallel to M and M is parallel to N, then by this property L has to be parallel to M. So what we say it is lines which are parallel to same line are parallel to each other. So these were the few axioms which we learned in this video. Based on these, you can try this question here. You can pause this video and try these questions. And once you are done, you can come back here and check your answers. Pat you back if all your answers are correct. Well done. Thank you for watching this video. For more, please visit justtutors.com.